We all know how important engine maintenance is for our vehicles, but many of us are guilty of neglecting all engines in the garage, including lawn and garden equipment. If a piece of equipment has been sitting unused for a long time, you're likely to experience rough idle, excess noise, or high operating temperatures on startup. This may tempt you to save yard work for another day, but it's easy to get your lawn equipment running smoothly again. First, remember to use fresh gas. The longer gas has been sitting, the more it'll break down and oxidize, leaving harmful deposits in your fuel system. After adding fresh gas, change the oil and treat it with MotorKote Hyper Lubricant. This heat and friction reducer uses the oil as a carrier to coat the engine and help prevent metal-on-metal wear in any engine. Just add 2 ounces of hyper lubricant for every quart of oil. You'll notice increased horsepower, lower operating temperatures, and reduced engine noise and vibration. And since hyper lubricant bonds to the metal, the engine components will have added protection from fuel deposits and condensation, even after sitting between uses. This tech tip is brought to you by MotorKote. Immediately coats all internal parts of your engine.